Hello, Uyen. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. What's the weather today, Uyen? What's the weather?
It's it's rainy.
Oh, wow, it's rainy. That's great. Okay, have you eaten? Yes or not yet?
Yes,
Great job, Uyen. Okay, now look at your book. Are you ready?
yes, I'm ready.
Nice. So we are in lesson 16.1, all about subjects. Okay, now look, listen, and repeat.
Maths.
Math.
Very good. Okay, now listen. In math class, we learn numbers.
Trong lớp toán chúng ta học số.
All right? Okay, like for example, 5 plus 5 equals.
10.
Very good. 1, mm, oh, 13 minus 9 equals 13 minus 9 equal 4. Okay, so that is math. Do you like math?
Yes, yes, I can.
Okay, do you like math?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay, now say
Vietnamese.
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 Very nice, Uyen. Okay, now look, Vietnamese is your language. Okay, what subject is this? What subject is this?
Chủ đề này là gì?
This is
Which, which is ma, which is
one more. Viet. Okay, Vietnamese.
Vietnamese. Vietnamese.
Okay, say Mise. Mise.
Vietnamese.
Very good. Okay, last one. Vietnamese.
Yes,
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
Very
Vietnamese.
good. Okay. Vietnamese is your own language.
Tiếng Việt là ngôn ngữ của riêng bạn.
All right. Vietnamese. Okay.
Vietnamese. Okay.
Nice. Okay. Do you like Vietnamese?
Yes, I do.
Nice.
Science.
Say.
Okay. One more. Sign. Science.
Say. Say.
Okay. Sign. Science.
Say.
Science.
Say. Say.
Very good. Okay. Now listen. Science, we do experiment in here.
Khoa học chúng tôi làm thí nghiệm ở đây.
Okay. Okay, now look. What subject is this?
She. She.
This is
This is my
This is science.
this is my son.
Okay, one more. This is science. This
This
is
is
science.
this is science.
Very good. Okay, now say
Music.
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 Okay, one more. Zik, zik,
This this
okay, say Z, Z,
here see
zik,
here
zik, zik.
zig zig
Very good. Music, music.
this music.
All right. Okay, now in music, we play different instruments such as piano, guitar, and drums. Okay?
Trong âm nhạc, chúng tôi chơi các nhạc cụ khác nhau như guitar, piano và trống nhé.
Piano, guitar, and drums. That's music. Okay. Like tang 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 tang. Tugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudugudu
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay, now look and say, okay, what subjects do you have today?
I have
What subjects do you have
um,
today?
Oh,
Hôm nay bạn có môn học gì?
what subject do you have today?
I
I
budget.
have
I have
math.
math.
Very good. Okay, so we have here do not. That means no, do not. Okay, do not means don't. Do not, don't, the same. Okay, Uyen? Okay, now look, look, look. Do you have music today? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't have music today. One more. Okay, look. Do you have music today?
Nay bạn có nhạc không?
No, no. Yes, I do have music today.
Very good. Okay, now let's practice. You look at the picture, you listen to teacher, and answer in a complete sentence using the picture. Based on the picture.
Các bạn cùng luyện tập nhìn vào tranh nghe giáo viên giảng và trả lời thành câu hoàn chỉnh dựa vào tranh nhé.
All right. Okay, look. What subject do you have today?
I have. This is my music.
Okay, listen. What subject do you have today?
Hôm nay bạn có môn học gì?
I, I, I,
I have.
I have music today.
Great. One more. Music.
Music,
All
music.
right. Okay, now look. Do you have science today? Do you have science today?
No, I don't.
Very good. Okay, say, no, I don't have science today. One more, Uyen.
No, I don't have sing today.
Okay, say, science, science.
Science. No,
Great
I
job.
don't have science today.
Yay! All right. Do you have Vietnamese today?
Yes, I do.
Great job. Okay, now what subject do you have today?
I have, I have,
I have math today.
I have math today.
Great job. Wow. All right. Now, let's play a game. Are you ready to play?
Yes,
Great. Now look, read, and write the number. Music, music.
no, music.
Where is the music? Tang, dang, dang, dang. Tang, dang, dang, tang, dang, 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 dang. Where is the music? That's right. Okay, now look. Science, science, science. Wow. Where? Try again. Science, science.
Science.
Wow. All right. Science is what number? Number three. Okay, what about Vietnamese? Vietnamese.
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 Nice. Okay, last one. Math. Math.
Mass. Mass.
Wow, that's right. So for this one, you've got 4 out of 4. Great job. Give me a high five, Uyen. Nice. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to give you 4 hearts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Okay, now look at this one. Now look and circle. What subject is this?
Mash.
That's right. What about this one? What subject is this?
Vietnamese.
Okay, very good. What subject is this?
Science.
That's right. Okay, say science. Science.
Science.
Nice. Okay, what subject is this? We have music. Yay, that's perfect. 4 out of 4 again. Wow. Give me a high five, Uyen. Very good. So you've got, okay, 1, Um,
two,
2, 3, 4 hearts. Nice. All right. Now look and say, okay, what subject do you have today? I have.
I have,
What subject do you have today?
I have much.
Very good. Okay. Now, how about this one? What subject do you have today?
I have Vietnam ears.
Wow, that's right. Okay. What subject do you have today?
I have this
Okay, say science. Science.
science.
Nice. Last one. What subject do you have today? I don't.
I don't music.
Yes, one more. I don't have music.
I
I
don't have music.
okay, say music, music, music.
Music.
Okay, one more time. Mew, mew.
Meow.
Okay,
Meow.
zick, zick.
This. This.
Okay, music, music.
Meow. This.
All right. So for this one, you also have a perfect score. 4 out of 4. Great job, Uyan. Give me a high five, Uyan. Nice. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts. Very good, Uyan. Okay. Now, what did you learn? I learned.
I learned. The- I learned much.
Very good. What else?
Vietnam ears.
That's correct. Science.
Science.
What else? And music.
Music.
Okay, one more. What did you learn? I learned.
I learned the much. Vietnam ears. Sh- sinh sinh the music.
All right. Say science. Science.
Science. Science.
Okay. Say science. Science.
Science.
Very good. Okay, music. Music.
Music. Music.
Okay, your turn.
Sun. Sun. Sa. The.
Science.
Science.
Very good. Okay, what this?
Science.
Very nice. Then,
Music.
okay, say zick, 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 zick.
Zip. Zip.
Very good. Okay. Music.
Music.
Very nice. Okay, what's this?
Music. Yes.
Okay, say zik, 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 zik.
Zig, 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 zig,
Very
zig, zig.
good. Okay, what's this?
Music.
Way! Okay, give me a high 10. Great job. So let's count the hearts. Are you ready? Okay, one,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
wow, you've got 12 hearts. Thank you so much for joining our class today, Uyen. I hope you learned something. Bye bye, Uyen.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye.